any possibility of, in a lot of families, what happens is, because, I think diabetes is something that passes on to generation. It is genetic. So, when in a family, is it possible in any way, if the parents have got diabetes, so their children might not get, or is there any cure for that?
Yes, very much. I wouldn't bet on the percentages. I'll tell you a very simple thing. My mother had diabetes and my father had hypertension. And so because of the virtue of my mother being a diabetic, my chances are high. Because my father had hypertension, my chance of hypertension is high. What do I do? I need to monitor the few modifiable factors and non-modifiable. Modifiable factors is eating less. See, by the virtue we are Indians, or overall, we eat much, much more than what our body requires it. Everybody, rather, I keep telling that if a patient is a Telugu patient, then even if the son is a sumo wrestler kind of physique, the mother always thinks my son is very, very thin. So that people do not accept and understand what is a healthy living. And if we maintain our physique well, if we maintain that we are not going to eat too much of sweet. See, the problem kya hoti, if you have to understand it, is one piece of sweet is okay. But having 4 5 rasgullas, trying to show off one portion of biryani is okay. But making sure that we start only with 4 times the normal, and then we keep adding more, then definitely you're going to have a diabetes, you're going to have a hypertension, you're going to have heart attack, paralysis, kidney failure. So everything will fall in line. It's all about having a proper balance. And if you are able to do that in your diet and exercise, and above all, going to a doctor regularly. See, biggest problem which we find, Rajni, which I would want others to know, it is we want to avoid doctors till the time it is last stage, and by that time, poor doctor doesn't have enough choice. But to give you the more high dose of medicines or even insulin, so things can be prevented. The only thing is, patients come to us for curative approach. They do not come to us for preventive approach. Whenever I see, every time I get a patient who comes with diabetes, I immediately look at the children. I'll say, Baba, you will be getting in 5 years time. But they will not take life seriously. They know it's a nahi sir, aaj sugar test kara, it is normal. So people don't understand. And with your channel, I would want to tell, complication of diabetes start before the diabetes comes into existence. Suppose you have a diabetes detected today, and suppose you are supposed to get a heart attack in 5 years time, then the possibility of heart attack started 10 years before, not the 5 years before. People need to understand that microvascular and macrovascular complications of the diabetes, they start even before diabetes has come into picture.